Hello, and this is a video on a work breakdown structure and everything it includes. What is a work breakdown structure? Work breakdown structure is a template that breaks down your project into sub-deliverables into priority order. What that means basically is it takes all the small activities that you have to complete during your project and help organize them into manageable flowing charts to help you navigate teams into completing these objectives. It is most utilized in what comes next, the why we use the work breakdown structure. The work breakdown structure will help show what has priority over others to work in order efficiently. For example, the work breakdown structure lets the manager know what needs to be done first to achieve the next goal. It also shows the relationship between different tasks, so you can help categorize and put certain teams together to handle certain situations. For example, everything with marketing, you would probably go directly to your marketing guy, and that would be labeled in the work breakdown structure as 2.2M. Where is the work breakdown structure used? It could be used anywhere. The work breakdown structure is not limited to one location. It is extremely versatile in its function, and as a result is used all over the world. Majority of the reason, though, is for a work breakdown structure being used is for the question of when to use it. So the work breakdown structure should be created before the start of a project. It should be done in the planning stage of the project. It should be completed anytime you have multiple activities in a project to help you organize it and collect them all into one manageable group. This is really great when you